Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on American Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in americanexpress.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official American Express website. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner to proceed into the login portal. Now if you already have an account, you can simply enter your credentials, including your user ID and your password. First of all, choose your account type from the drop-down menu, and after you select your account type, simply type in your user ID followed by your account password. After typing in both of these, you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your American Express account right away. Just make sure that you don't check the Remember Me box if you are logging in from a public device. And there you have it. That is how you can proceed with logging into your existing account on American Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.